Rain on the boards. The paper dolls of politics don't long persist in the climate here. The rain is too constant. The wind unconcerned for the fate of yard signs and bumper stickers and leaflets. The galloping fungi and ferns that devour every dead thing, long before it decays, are unlikely to leave the fat carcasses of buyers and feeders and fakers untouched. No boots touch the ground or the ship decks here without cameras and waiting cars as witness. Grassroots are for city folks who imagine their cultivated lawns and measured clippings amount to resistance and rebellion, even as rhetoric reduces itself to single-word epithets. Nothing is more desperate now than it has ever been, but we summon invaders and oppressors to justify flags and banners, pitch our battles with carefully negotiated outcomes, glorious defeats and graceful victories. Pageantry has become its own purpose, in a play with no supporting actors, no subplots, and we blind to the villain in us all.